let's talk about this box. What this box is, I decided for just a little bit, you know, not that much more, I prefer to have my meat delivered from the butcher that I love. And I didn't order a lot, so I really wasn't even sure if they would deliver, but they did. So, and it came in this cute little box. I mean, this is so cute. Open it, you can look inside and you see that I have the different meat that I ordered. I ordered chicken legs, so that's that. Bavette steak, that's the flank. And this is the chicken fillet. And this is gonna be, I'm gonna do chicken fillet, the chicken legs, and chicken thighs for the chicken and chorizo. And then here's the chorizo, okay? And then they give you this leaflet. It actually looks, I mean, it looks like you could eat that picture. But it's just so cute. So I hope you guys liked and subscribe, and if you have a local butcher in your area, find out if they deliver. It's perfect. Thank you. Have a good one.